Hey everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are going to continue working with avoir expressions in French. So far you've learned how to say to be hot, avoir chaud, to be cold, avoir froid, to be hungry, avoir faim, to be thirsty, avoir soif. In this lesson we are going to learn how to say to be scared. So how do you say to be scared in French? Well, avoir peur. Peur means fear. Fear. Notice the pronunciation, avoir peur, peur. To produce the sound represented by this symbol here in the IPA, try saying ah, and then round your lips, peur, 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 peur. Remember that you need to know the forms of avoir in the present tense to use avoir expressions. So now that you know how to say to be scared, avoir peur, let's apply what you've learned. How do you say I am scared? Remember, you literally have to say I have fear. That's why we call it an avoir expression, because it uses to have. I have fear. J'ai peur. And remember, I have fear means I am scared in English. J'ai peur. J'ai peur. You are scared. Tu as peur. Tu as peur. Are you scared? As-tu peur? As-tu peur? He is scared. Il a peur. Il a peur. She is scared. Elle a peur. Elle a peur. You are scared using vous. Vous avez peur. Vous avez peur. Are you scared? Avez-vous peur? Avez-vous peur? Okay, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.